Good morning, everyone from Renaissance Island. This morning we came straight to this island in the morning. We came around 8 a.m. in the morning. This island is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. We will be getting breakfast a little bit later, but we're just enjoying this view of this island. And the flamingos are here as well.
We just got our breakfast served. So today I get the cappuccino and some pastries. We are already done with the fruits. They already took the fruit basket and some egg casserole and some scrambled eggs, potatoes, and sauce. What? The potatoes looks delicious today. How is it?
Delicious.
This is the cheese empanadas. Alright, we're gonna finish our breakfast and then see you guys back at the beach.
So we have been just laying on the water all this time. So they do have this blue kind of floating thing that you can get into the water and just lay on that over the water. So we just ordered some lunch. It's 1 p.m. and we just ordered some lunch here. And we got shrimp tempura. And look at how cute this whole thing is. And then we got the sandwich with some fries.
That is so much food.
Told you to order one.
I know.
But yeah, we're getting the food from the same place we got the breakfast. So we're gonna enjoy our lunch right by the ocean.
Hi.
Okay, what kind of car you driving today?
Sit down.
The normal car you can drive through. You go see those Playa Boca Prince are two beach not for swimming. Went to the dunes and the caves. Both caves we have a ranger to give you information. Both caves was at 4.
Okay.
And then you go out to San Nicolas Baby Beach.
So this is the exit, and we can drive all the way. Okay.
Okay, you want to do it? It's
Yeah.
$20 per person. Let me call the cashier for you.
Go straight. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
We have just entered into Aruba National Park. This park has a lot of trails and a lot of beaches and caves to see. But we are not gonna hike here. But through driving, you can watch 2 beach and 2 caves. So that's what we're doing. Each person is $20 per person, but it is kind of worth it if you hike. Just look how many attractions they have. We're gonna put a picture on our video, or here it is. Look, all the stuff you can do in here.
The mountains are full with cactus. The big ones. Oh damn, it's too wet. I thought it's lava.
That's what I thought. Arizona. So we have come to our first stop, Boca Prince. This place looks like it's out of nowhere. Look at this.
Look at these waves. So we're going up, we're leaving the first place. The only problem like exploring Aruba for me, it has been the heat. So crazy hot outside, so dry and hot, like can't even stay outside for like under the sun for like more than 10-15 minutes. It's crazy hot. Like that's the only problem we've been facing. Yeah, probably because it's July. Yeah, that's the only problem we've been facing. It's just like heat. Yeah, look at this. All these goats, the wild goats. It's like windy, but like it's just hot. Like it doesn't help. The wind doesn't help at all.
Alright, now we just drove like a minute from the Boca Prince and we are in Fontaine Caves. Let's have a look at the caves. I think this is it. It smells weird here, Tushar. Yeah.
We're driving on the edge, one of the edge of Aruba. Like
We were getting out of the park. We saw some goat close by. Look at the goat. Getting out of the park, it wasn't bad, but it was.
it's just all the driving. The first spot we stopped, it was pretty cool. Rather than that, there was a cave. We was trying to overtake.
And the road is really, really bad to drive. So yeah, we're heading out.
Yeah, we're heading out now. Yeah, the road has been. It's like it's not
Crazy.
finished. It's just like unpaved.
Let's go to the aloe vera farm. Put the address for us. So we have come to aloe vera factory in Aruba. It's called Aruba Aloe. Let's see what's inside. That's the factory with the collection of bananas.
Look at this factory.
This is where they make.
We came to the Eagle Beach and we're just stopping by the restaurant here and just grabbing a drink. So these are Aruba's famous 440 tree and Eagle Beach. They have like few. Two of them is right by the beach. It's already crowded. But then again, you have here, it's a big 440 tree. This place is so much cooler. So pretty much exhausted. So we came back to the hotel. Right now we're going to the swimming pool to cool off. Oh, dry hand.
Thank you. Ashu. ये भीजा नहीं देखा? हाँ? এটার উপরে ব্যাগটা রাখ।
So we're getting out to get some dinner for tonight. Not decided yet where we're gonna eat. We came to a Mexican restaurant to get our dinner.
We just got our chips and salsa. Look how pretty this is. I never had a red chips with chips and salsa. And this salsa looks so different. Seems like they cooked it. It's not raw. Seems like they have cooked this salsa. Look at this. It's so dark. They cooked the tomato. It tastes like Bangladeshi tomato bhorta. That's how it tastes like. Tomato bhorta. Like bhat diye খাওয়া যাবে। Food served. So this is the chicken alfredo pasta. Let me give it a try and see how it is. So creamy, really good. There's a lot though. It's a huge plate. And to start with the vegetarian fajitas, I'm gonna try veggie and see how this is. This is zucchini, I think. Oh, this is hot. But it did say sizzling. It is sizzling. It's so fresh. Fresh, really good. And then we get free condiments with the fajitas. The tomatoes, guacamole, beans, and some more sauce. Excited to dig in.
We're sitting here by the ocean after the dinner, feeling the breeze, chilling. Yeah.
Last night by the ocean.
Yeah, this is on last night in Aruba.